Hi everybody, today we're making bread. We're going to start by dissolving a tablespoon of honey into some lukewarm water, about 250 milliliters of water. Stir that around a little bit, and then we're going to add some dried yeast. So 1 packet, 7 grams of dried yeast. Stir it up, let that sit and froth away for about 5 minutes. In a mixing bowl, add 350 grams of bread flour, 150 grams of wholemeal flour, and 2 teaspoons of salt. We're going to add to that a splash of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to mix it around a little bit. And then we're going to add some sunflower, flax, and pumpkin seeds. Into this now we can mix our yeast. And again, mix around until it's all combined and starts to come away from the edge of the bowl. Pull your dough ball out onto your work surface. Let's get flouring that work surface and kneading your dough. The whole kneading process will take about 5 to 10 minutes. 10 minutes I'd say if you're doing it by hand. And you can keep adding more flour to the mix if you feel it's too wet or too sticky. What you want is a nice, soft, elastic, pliable dough, not too sticky. As you can see, mine was a bit sticky. Wow, look at him go. I'm so needy. Keep kneading until you get a nice elastic consistency. Form your dough into a nice ball. Into a clean mixing bowl, we then add a splash of olive oil, throw our dough ball in there, and we'll cover it with a cloth, let it sit for about 45 minutes to rise. After 45 minutes, your dough should have doubled in size, and now we can knock the air out of it again. To do this, we flour our work surface again. We can knead the dough again for a further few minutes. Shape it into a ball. Flatten it down. And we'll place our dough in the center of this baking tray. Sprinkle with a little more flour. And we'll cover with plastic film to prevent it from drying out as it rises a second time. Again, let it rise for 45 minutes. Once your dough is risen, remove the plastic and put it into the center of a hot oven, 180 degrees Celsius, for about 45 minutes, after which time you should have bread. To check the doneness of your loaf, turn it upside down and tap the bottom. If it sounds hollow, you've got bread. Allow to cool on a wire rack, and enjoy.